Janet at the 4-H office. Today's International Asteroid Day, so we're going to do a simple science experiment that you can do at home about asteroids. So asteroids, comets, and meteoroids, what's the difference? So our asteroids are actually rocky pieces left over from when the galaxy was formed. Comets are organic covered ice balls that have a frozen nucleus, bright tails of gases that are released as the sun starts melting them as they go by the sun. And meteoroids are basically space rocks, and they're usually a lot smaller. When they're in our atmosphere, they're called meteors. As they burn up, when they come down, you'll see their trails and stuff. When a meteoroid survives its trip through the atmosphere and actually lands on the soil or in the soil, it's called a meteorite. But today we're going to focus on asteroids, and our activity is actually going to be an asteroid impact to see what would happen. So, like I said, asteroids are rocky pieces left over from the formation of our solar system. There are over 958,000 of them that are known to NASA scientists, and most are found orbiting the sun. They're irregularly shaped, pitted, kind of gray, or different colors depending on their type. I have some little asteroids, or what I found that we're going to use as asteroids here today, and this is actually just a piece of asphalt, a piece of concrete to show you the different colors, different textures. They're all pitted, they're irregular shape, and typically they're huge, absolutely huge. That's why we worry about them. NASA and all the other scientists studying the galaxy are actually watching these to see how close they pass by Earth, because we don't want one of those to hit Earth and impact the planet and destroy our planet and our atmosphere. So, 3 types, C, S, and M, and they're all based on their composition. So for today's experiment, what you're going to need are a bunch of different size, irregularly shaped rocks, if you can find them, pieces of concrete, asphalt, that sort of thing. You'll need a dish tub. Do this outside, this is going to be messy. Newspaper on your work surface, and I have a big bag of flour. So what I'm actually going to do, my safety goggles, I want to feel scientific today. What I'm going to do is pour my flour into my dish pan to mimic the surface of the Earth. I'm not going to fill it totally full. I don't want to clean up that much of a mess today. And so what I'm simply going to do is recreate an asteroid, what would happen if it actually hit the surface of the Earth. So I have different sizes. Climb up on my step stool, and if you guys can see this, I'm just going to simply drop them into our flour. I'm going to start with our littlest one to show impact. You see how we have some of the flour, which would be our soil, coming out of our dish pan as the asteroid hit. If we drop a bigger asteroid, we get more flour. We'll just remove these real quick so that they're not in the way. And something I want to show you too, if I can do this